All right, today we're going to bring a toilet paper holder, and if you guys can see, there's a big difference here. Now this one, to insert the actual toilet papers to the top, but look at this. It bends in each corner, so you don't have to worry about it. I like this part of it. It just bends easily. Now, this one's been a problem because I'm gonna show you guys. On this one, what I do, I tip it over and falls so easily. It's not very reliable. It's not stable enough. So we're gonna replace it with this one. And the easy part of this one is you just gotta drop them in there. That's what you gotta do. Just drop them in there. You don't have to worry about anything. And this one, look at this. It's already tipping over like that. And this one falls so simple just by moving it all the time. All you gotta do is bend this part over, put the toilet paper in there, and you could actually access the toilet paper. You could add one more if you want. It fits in there, but compared to this one, stable enough. I like this one better than that one. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video.